5 daily habits every network marketer needs to win. Gusto mo bang makita ang tunay na pagkakaiba ng successful network marketer at iba? Hindi luck, hindi magic. Ang sikreto nila ay daily habits. At ito na ang 5 daily habits na pwede mong simulan ngayon. Number 1, start your day with purpose. Mag-set ka ng intention araw-araw. Hindi puro trabaho lang. Isipin mo kung bakit ka nagsimula. Mindset sets the tone for your day. Number 2, learning something new every day. Bawat araw, kahit 10 minutes, matuto ka. Magbasa, manood ng trainings, o makinig sa mentors. Knowledge plus application equals growth. Number 3, show up consistently. Post, message, follow up. Araw-araw, kahit konti. Consistency beats intensity. Small steps daily equals big results over time. Number 4, connect with your people. Reach out, check in, inspire. Huwag puro task. Show them you care. Relationships equals trust equals duplication. Number 5, reflect and plan for tomorrow. Before matulog, review your wins and lessons. Plan for tomorrow. Adjust if needed. Growth requires reflection plus action. Success is built by habits, not chance. Kung gagawin mo ang 5 habits na to araw-araw, maaabot mo rin ang results ng mga top leaders sa industry. If you want to level up your daily game, follow me for practical strategies every day. Save this for your daily routine, share this sa team mo para sabay-sabay kayong mag-grow. And if you want a daily checklist I personally use for building my team, message me daily, tutulungan kitang maging consistent. This is B. Sabulao, Rise in Faith, Lead with Purpose. And remember, small daily action creates big results.